and disinform Kenyans, even on the questions of the finance bill, will now reconcile themselves with their conscience and come and debate the issues touching on finance bill on the floor of this House, because this is where to engage on matters that touch on the lives and matters that are of concern to the people who have sent us here to represent them. Honorable Speaker, with those few remarks, I take opportunity to invite all of you, including my good friend, the Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, my good friend, the Honorable Raila Odinga, our former Prime Minister, to the prayer breakfast. And should they not be there, we shall pray for them. And I want to encourage Kenyans and all of us to pray for each other. Just like every day I pray for the former Prime Minister and my good friend, the Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka. Every day I do, and I'll continue to pray for them, Honorable Speaker. Just as I pray for my President and my Deputy President, I pray for our leaders. As I also pray, this is why, Honorable Speaker, you see the Honorable Junet. I have been praying for the Honorable Junet to show up again in Parliament, and I am happy he's here today, Honorable Speaker. With those many remarks, Honorable Speaker, I invite all of you to join us in the prayer breakfast tomorrow.
Honorable members, I honestly don't want to escalate debate. Junet, because of your prolonged absence in the House, I'll give you 2 minutes after